There is no scientific basis for the decision by Minister Nkosazana Dlamini-Zuma to once again extend the national state of disaster, the 24th time she has done so on our account since 2020, and without offering any explanation to the South African people or to Parliament. We believe, objectively speaking, that in fact there is no disaster in South Africa at present, at least not one within the ambit of the Disaster Management Act.
The extension of the national state of disaster by government is disappointing, unnecessary, and uncalled for. In fact, this is the most irrational decisions ever taken by this government. As the National Freedom Party, we're hoping and expecting against all odds that Minister of Cooperative Governance, Minister Nkosazana Dlamini-Zuma, was going to announce the lifting of the national state of disaster as well as the lockdown.
President Cyril Ramaphosa must stop treating opposition parties with disrespect. Extending the national state of disaster without consulting opposition parties is totally unacceptable. President Ramaphosa expects that we must support and defend this decision, but we don't know what was the reason for this extension.